What is up, YouTube? So I am coming to you guys today because I finally did my hair after a week or weeks. You know, I'm a hairstylist, so I'm always doing other people's hair, and it's finally time for me to do myself. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. So I already washed my hair this morning, so it's nice and clean, but it's been a few hours, so my hair definitely is dry. I'm going to take a spray bottle with water. I use My Gel by Joey to retwist. And this is extra hold because I want it to last a while. And then I'm going to find an oil of some sort and put it on my scalp. So the oil I am going in with is called Regan Sinai. I think I'm saying that right. Regan Sinai or Regan Sinai. And it's really meant for children, but I absolutely love this oil because it is meant for dry scalp and flaky scalp and psoriasis, which are all things that I suffer from. So I am going to go in with my parting comb, and it's helpful for like precision and getting those clean parts. And I'm going to start in the front because it's hard for me to see the back of my head, and this is the easiest way I do it. And then I'm going to add a little product at the root and retwist to the right and kind of twist the hair over to hold its place. And if you guys are wondering why I have those short pieces in the back, it's because I had a undercut that I'm currently trying to grow out. It's struggling a little bit, but it's getting there.
Waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Now that I have completed the retwist, I am going to separate the front, and you want an even number because you're going to be putting it in 2-strand twists. Now I'm going to put my hair into a high ponytail. You could really decide where you want your ponytail to be, but for this style, I'm going to do it high. Next time I might try a low ponytail because I think that might be cute. But you want to make sure it's not too tight because I don't know if you guys experience what I experienced, but after we twist, my hair is sensitive, like, ugh. But yeah, so after you put your hair in a ponytail, you're gonna go ahead and 2-strand twist the front. And I'm going for like a bang look, so I am going to do like the lock knots where I want it to land. So you kind of get your placement together, and then you hold it at the base, and then you twist it there, and then add a rubber band at the end of it. And I'm going to continue with the rest of my hair.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Now that I'm done with my bang, I am going to go in and 2-strand twist the rest of my ponytail. Some of my locks are shorter than others, and that's totally fine. It'll still be cute. In that case, you can just stop where the shortest one is and start to start to create your lock knot.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love.
Now that I have finished 2-strand twisting my ponytail, I'm going to take those baby locks in the back and pin them up so that they're not just sticking out looking crazy. But yes, this is the finished style. I absolutely love the style. I've done this before and I will probably keep doing it because it's very pretty. I love the little bang look. It's really giving. So thank y'all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.